Class 8, we had to continue with exercise 1.2. Now we have to deal with questions where we have to insert rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Okay, so we are opting for, because it is insert 10 rational numbers out here. So we will go for equivalent rational number method, because if I want to do it by mean method, so that will be lots of work for 10 numbers. When you are just in need of say 2 or 3 or 4, then maybe we can go for mean method. But if the number in question is big, then equivalent method is the best, because in one go you can introduce all the numbers. Okay, so yes, the first number given to here was minus 2 by 5 and the other is 1 by 2. So in rational numbers and fractions, for rest of the operations also, if we want to compare the two numbers, first the denominator has to be same. Only when the denominator is same can the comparison or any other operation be done. So same way here also, the first aim would be to make the denominator same. So for making the denominator same, one denominator was 5, the other was 2. So LCM of these two is 10. Therefore, what we will be doing is we will convert it with the same denominator to a fraction with same denominator. So naturally, to make this 10, it needs to be increased 2 times. So whatever we multiply in denominator has to be multiplied in numerator as well. So minus 2 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 2. So that becomes minus 4 upon 10, and the other number will be multiplied by 5. 2 5s is 10, so numerator will also increase 5 times, so this is equivalent to 5 by 10. Now between minus 4 and 5 children, we have so many numbers, okay, and but they are 8 in number, whereas we were supposed to introduce 10 rational numbers. So abhi bhi hamare numbers are not in a state where we can introduce 10 numbers, so we will make a higher equivalent rational number of this. So I have multiplied both by 2 to each. So instead of 10 denominator, now I am making it to 20. So the first number, that was minus 4 by 10, further increased to multiplying by 2 and 2, minus 8 upon 20. And the other one, 5 by 10, also multiplied by 2 by 2 to make it 10 upon 20. All of them are equivalent basically. Okay, now between minus 8 and 10, there are so many numbers. So you were supposed to just write 10 numbers. So any number from minus 7 by 20 onwards. Okay, after minus, negative numbers go on increasing to the left. So before or not before, after minus 8 would come minus 7, then minus 6, minus 5, so and so forth till 0, and then the positive numbers will start. So from these many you can pick up any 10. Answers can be different here. Alright. So no issue. So any 10 numbers from minus 7 by 20 till 9 by 20. You can choose any 10 numbers and that would give you your solution. Likewise, see the next example now. Question number 5 is asking you to introduce 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So again, first LCM same karenge hum, denominator same karenge by taking LCM. So this increases 5 times, 3 5s is 15 and 5 3s are. So if the denominator 3 times, numerator also 3 times. So 2 by 3 is equivalent to 10 by 15. Likewise, 4 by 5 becomes equivalent to 12 by 15. Abhi 10 and 12 ke beech mein you have 11, only a single rational number. But we were supposed to introduce 5 more, actually 5 numbers. So we will increase this more. We'll make it a higher equivalent rational number. Okay, so for that I have multiplied it by 3. See, if I double it, we could have done like in the previous one I doubled. So if I double it, this would become 10 2s are 20 and 12 2s are 24. So between 20 and 24 also you have 21, 22, 23. 3 numbers ही आ रहे हैं, हमें 5 चाहिए थे. Okay, so इसलिए हमने उसे और बड़ा करा. तो rather than just 2, I have multiplied it by 3 and 3 each. Right? So then this number reduces to, now increases to 30 upon 45 and this one to 36 upon 45. Now between 30 and 36 we have 5 numbers, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Of course with denominator 45 has to be written there. Okay, so that is how we can do it. Now the next example see out here was between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So again LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6. So we'll have to multiply this in numerator and denominator by 3 each and this one by 2 each. So this becomes minus 3 into 3, minus 9 upon 3 2s are 6. This becomes 10 upon 6. Now from minus 9 to 10 you have so many numbers, minus 8, minus 7, so and so forth till 8, 9. बहुत सारे numbers हैं. You can choose any 5 and give the answer. Again your answers can vary. Okay, so that's no point. Now taking one more example, I think that's question number 7. Okay, so between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Okay, so again same way, we've taken LCM of the denominators. 5 and 4, 20. So this one has been increased 4 times. So this number is equivalent to 12 upon 20. This number becomes equivalent to 15 upon 20. Now between 12 and 15, you just have 13, 14, two numbers. But इसने हमको again बोला है some 10 numbers I think. Okay. So now for 10 numbers again, अगर मैं इसे double करती हूँ तो 24 and 30. Between 24 and 30, I will not find 10 numbers. Okay, and then if I triple it, so that would become 36 and this would become 45. So from 36 to 45, again I am falling short of one number. We'll have 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, just 8 numbers in between. Okay, so this time I have taken fourth multiple, 4 upon 4 से multiply कर दिया. ठीक है, आप पहले छोटे से ही कोशिश करो, बट अगर छोटे से करके आपको उतने नंबर्स नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं, then you go for a higher number, then a higher number. Okay, so then this number now becomes multiplying by 4, 48 upon 80. The other one becomes 60 upon 80. Now between 48 and 60 we have many numbers, 49, 50 till 59. You can choose any 10 out of these, right?